Playtime! Playtime! Hi, welcome to our Playtime videos. Today we're going to do an unboxing and reviews of Miffy's adventures, her house, 2 sets of characters, and her car. So without further ado, let's get started. So the first package includes Daddy, Snuffy, Miffy, and Mommy. And the arms are movable, and the legs, and the head. This is so cute. There's Snuffy, and his head moves. Okay, and here's Miffy, and she has on this cute little blue dress, and her head and her arms move, and she can sit down and stand up. And here's Mommy, and she's in an orange dress, and her arms move, and she can stand up and sit down, and her head moves back and forth. And here's the second package, and it comes with Dan, Melanie, Miffy, and Grunty. And this is Dan, and he has movable arms and one ear that bends down, and he can sit and stand. Here's Melanie. Sit and stand, and the arms are movable. Here's Miffy again. These characters are so cute. And here's Grunty. And the heads, they move. And the arms on all of the characters. This is Miffy's little car. And there's 2 spots to sit in, and it comes with Miffy in her orange dress. Here's Miffy in an orange dress. And her head moves, and her arms, and her legs. And here's the car. There's 2 places to sit in, and this little tiny steering wheel. And here is Miffy's Adventures Big and Small, Fly Away with Miffy Little Airplane. And here's Miffy in a yellow dress, and her head moves back and forth, and her arms are movable, and she can stand and sit. Here's the little airplane, a little steering wheel, 2 people can sit in it, propeller, and there's one. And here is Miffy's house. It comes with 10 accessories, including Miffy and Melanie. Here's the bathroom with Melanie, the bedroom, Miffy in the kitchen, and the living room. Alright, now that we have gotten all the pieces out, let's put the house together. We have a little sink with a little stool. Put it in the bathroom. Here's the little bathtub with the towel on the side. Here is the sofa. Here's the bed. A lamp with the table. The little drawer. Here's the countertop, and it has a little cup and a little bowl and a sink. Here's the oven. The kitchen table with the bowl. And 2 little chairs. I could put Miffy in there to sit. Melanie. This is so cute. They are gonna love playing with this. I'll put Crunchy in the bathtub. Here comes Daddy and Miffy. Alright, we'll put Miffy in the living room, and Mommy in the living room. Put Melanie up here in the bedroom. And Miffy over here in the kitchen with Dan. This is so cute. They're gonna really love playing with this. And you can put all the pieces in here. And you can close it all up, and it will keep everything together so nothing will get lost. This will keep kids occupied for a long time playing with this. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and hit the bell to get notifications on new videos. Bye!